In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your return and refund policy on Shopify. Whether you're setting up your store for the first time or making some adjustments, ensuring your policies are clear and comprehensive is a crucial way for helping your customers feel confident in their purchases and maintaining the integrity of your business. We'll begin by heading over to the Shopify dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage everything about your store, from inventory to customer communications. Once you're there, take a glance at the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon which represents your settings. Clicking on this will take you to a menu where you can adjust various aspects of your store according to your business needs. Next, look towards the bottom of the settings menu and find the Policies section. This is the hub for all your store's written policies. Having clear and precise policies is essential for building trust with your customers. So take your time to personalize them to align with your business values and operations. Once you're in the Policies section, we'll focus on the Return and Refund policy. Click on the link for the Return and Refund policy. This will open a new page where you can either add a new policy or edit an existing one. This area is where you can outline the specifics of your return and refund process, including conditions for returns, timeframes, and any exceptions or special instructions. Crafting a well-thought-out return policy can help manage customer expectations and enhance their shopping experience. It's also an opportunity to convey your commitment to customer satisfaction. So be thorough and consider any potential questions a customer might have. After you've written or updated your return and refund policy to your satisfaction, the final step is to publish it. Look for the Publish button and click it once your edits are complete. Publishing ensures that this updated information is live on your store and accessible to your customers. It's always a good idea to review your changes one last time before publishing to catch any errors or omissions. And that's it. You've successfully updated your return and refund policy on Shopify. A well-crafted return policy not only protects your business but also enhances the customer's confidence in purchasing from your store. With everything saved and published, you're all set to provide your customers with the clarity they deserve. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!